I'm Marcia McKenzie. I am a faculty member in the College of Education at the University of Saskatchewan, and I direct the Sustainability Education Research Institute here at the U of S. If you're doing sustainability education in Saskatchewan, that's going to look or should look different than it looks in Nunavut. Looks different than it's going to look in a region in Thailand or other places around the world. Everything we do is based on kind of our beliefs and our values, which are set through education. So if we're not tackling that and looking at what people are learning and why they're learning that, and how they're learning to engage in the world, then those are just band-aids rather than getting to kind of the root of the type of change we need to be making. Sometimes working with education policy, it can seem like a long road to make change. But when you work with students and you go into actual programs and you see the difference that it makes when sustainability is engaged in the classrooms, engagement in learning, it's exciting and inspiring.
My name's Keith CARLSON, and I'm a professor of history at the University of Saskatchewan, and I have the research chair in Indigenous and Community Engaged History. And my research is really sort of driven by community interests. What's meaningful to Indigenous communities? And I try to do work that is sort of co-created with Indigenous people, shifting the axis of our analysis. It's not simply asking what happened in the past. I'm trying to move away from a victim history and just asking them, how can I be helpful? Is there something that I can do that would be of interest to you? And or I say, I've got this idea, do you think this might be something that you'd be interested in partnering on? When people say, we'd like to work with you on this project. And that's a pretty rewarding feeling. It makes you feel valued, but it also makes you feel good at the end of the day. You feel like, oh, I'm doing something that's kind of making the world a little bit better place.